What is up, guys? Today it's Master Gamer here, and we'll be opening a breakpoint umbreon blister. So I can't wait to get inside. Today opened another 2 breakpoint, and I got 2 hollows, Aegis hollow and another Garbodor hollow. But we have this blister. Hopefully we can get an EX or break. I don't really care. I really want an EX from breakthrough, or yeah. I don't really care even though cheap is like Togekiss EX. I don't care what EX I get. It's just I really want an EX of breakpoint. Since if I open all of these 3, it's gonna be my 12. I already opened 12 breakpoint booster packs. So get the Pikachu coin out. And if you the Pikachu coin, it's really cute and really sparkly. And we have the Umbreon Hollow, which does 60 plus. Turn one of your face down prize cards face up. If that prize card is a Pokemon, this attack does 60 more damage. The prize card remains face up for the rest of the game. So now, we have 3 TCG booster packs. Okay, we'll go for the Greninja break first. Put the full code card. Okay, this pack starts off with a Great Ball, a Skizor Spirit Link, Doublade, Drowsy, Shelter, Trubbish, Ducklet, Honage. Oh, baby! That's awesome. And a Hypno. Oh, okay, I'll take that. We opened a Greninja break, and we got a Greninja break. Once during your turn, I'm not gonna read it. You can read it. I'm gonna focus. There we go. Okay, that was a good pull. Definitely a good pull. And I'll just be sleeving the card. It's my first ever ultra rare from breakpoint, so I'm gonna put it right there. Okay. So we still have 2 more packs to go. I'll go for the Mega Skizzo. I'll show you the art. And put the code card there, and then for the card trick. This pack starts off with a special energy. A splash energy or a special energy. Sudowoodo, Tierno, Shinx, Slowpoke, Phantom, Psyduck, Shouder, Shiftry, which is a rare reverse holo, and a Pangoro. So there are dark types, but it's always nice to have 2 rares in 1 pack. And we still have 1 more pack to go. And the Greninja break is awesome. Okay. This pack starts off with a Tierno, a Aromatisse, Slowbro, Skrelp, Kricketot, Drowsy, Growlithe, Clefairy. Reverse is a Great Ball and a Gold Duck non-holo rare. So the good card is this card. It is amazing. Well, I like it very much. And we also got the reverse holo Shiftry from 3 packs. So that's pretty good. I got the Greninja brake and the shift reverse hollow. Hopefully you guys enjoy that video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.